Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use ExitLag to optimize your gaming. Firstly, visit the ExitLag website and create an account. Check your email inbox and confirm your registration. Now go to the software download page on the website. If you already have an account, log in with your email and password. Open the ExitLag app and browse the list or use the search bar to find your game. Click on your game and locate the Choose a Region or Server field. Select Automatic Choice or manually pick the server region where your game is hosted. Then click Apply Routes to optimize your connection. Now once the app shows connected, launch your game and enjoy a smoother and lag-free experience with ExitLag on. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.